Hello guys, I just got my new Zotac ZBOX. This is the AD02. This is the one that has the AMD E-350 APU Platform, which is a dual core 1.6 GHz CPU and integrated GPU, the AMD Radeon HD6310. This mini PC supports SATA 3. It has gigabit LAN. It has Wi-Fi N. It has HDMI. It has an eSATA port. It has USB 3.0. It has an optical PDIF. For optical audio. And well, let's do the unboxing. I'm very excited about this PC because well, I have been always an AMD fan. Since my first computers I always have AMD CPUs on them, and I had the other ZBOX, the one that has the ATOM and Ion 2 GPU, and I want to see the answer to that from AMD. So first thing we have here, warranty card, drivers, user's manual, and a quick start guide. Okay, well, let's put this thing aside. And right here we have the Zotac. I always like the packaging of this. It is very good, very professional. The box is very nice, everything. I really like how they the design they have for the boxes and everything to package your things. Okay, well, we have here the Zotac. This is the Visa mount. You can mount this on the back of a monitor, or I don't know, if you have a wall mount or something, you can put it on the wall. Let's get this thing out of here. Okay, here we go. Very nice, this thing. Okay, this is a computer. Has one USB side port. I think this is USB 2.0. It has another USB on the front, the multi-card reader, audio out, audio in for microphone and for speakers, LEDs for activity. I think this is one for the net, for the wireless, and the other one I think is for the hard drive activity. I don't know. Okay, here we have an eSATA port, 2 USB 3, 1 gigabit LAN, another 2 USBs. You can tell that from the colors, the only ones that are 3.0 is these ones. These ones are black and these ones are white. Well, the thing is that I read that only these ones are USB 0.3, but I'm not sure. You have the HDMI, DVI, the optical out, and for the power adapter, and that's it. Well, what else we have here? Power cord, power adapter, and the side mount, so you can put this. Okay, it's very good. The DVI to VGA adapter, and the screws, I think they are for the wall, for the Visa mount. Okay, so the cool thing about this is that it's a toolless you can open this thing without having any screws. So let's open this thing and check what's inside. Okay, that's it. The Zotac ZBOX, the 2 slots for the RAM, for the hard drive, and this is it, the AM3 APU platform right here. Okay, I'm gonna try to install the RAM. I bought a Corsair 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is very good RAM, by the way. Okay. They say it was very difficult to, well, some persons say that it was very difficult to get these things out. Okay. Oh, I'm putting the wrong way here. There you go. And the other one. Oops. Wow. And there we are. There we are. 8 gigs of RAM. And last but not least, the Seagate hard drive that I bought. This is a Seagate Momentus 7200 RPMs, and this is 500 gigabytes. This is very nice packed. You can see I like this a lot. This is very nice packed. Okay, let's open this thing. Here. Let's unscrew this thing here and just put this thing here. There you go. I really like this thing that you don't need a screwdriver or any other tool. You can do this by hand. It is very good, this thing. Okay. Here you have it. Let's close this thing. Okay. And there is my new Zotac ZBOX. Just to put a perspective, well, my hands are, well, some kind big, but well, another thing that will be useful, this thing right here. You can see that this is a very small computer. You cannot do a lot of powerful stuff here. It is just for lightweight computing. It is basically for the HTPC people, that you can put this, well, in the box it says you can have it on your living room, your kitchen, your bedroom. It is more like for multimedia, but I find this very good for doing light things, like, I don't know, like using Word, like programming some stuff and some very light things. I going to see how this performs, and I will tell you in the next video or something. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.